We're here at the farm, so people, we have this usuk-usukan, smoky. The reason for that is to deter mosquitoes, okay? This is not for, ano na nga yung parang may ano ka, yung budu-budu. This is not budu-budu. This is for mosquito repellent. Guys, it's nice. It's just relaxing here. Okay, folks. Solar, but yeah, and they have water here, so it's really cool. Yeah. Especially during summertime. Hi pa! Pa, itaas na natin mga kahoy natin. Kuya, para mataas natin mga kahoy natin. Bye everyone.
Yung nurse kanina.
Bye.